So guys, let me start this vlog here. I have 800 grams of Zenta soap, bar soap. I have 4 pieces of tissue. I have 4 in the house. Serviette was completely done. I have serviette. I have clean soft over here. I normally use this one because it's affordable. This one goes for 90 shillings in the supermarket. So I have 3 of them. Over here, I have candles. I have run out of candles, and you know sometimes it's okay. You know sometimes you can just not power in as a zima or something, and you need the candles. I have candles there. So I have diapers over here. The soft care large. So I have one. That's enough for Louis. I have some crisps for us here. I have tomato sauce. This one is for the babies. The one that is there, I normally use it. I have juice here. Just a small one. I have Blue Band here, 1 kg. So I'm back to Blue Band. I want a taste of Blue Band, by the way. I've ate Prestige for long, and right now I'm not feeling it. Pala cheni kelele, tafadhali. I have apples here. I bought 4 of them. Want to eat. So this time round I've not bought a lot of yogurt. So I have this one because I want to make my own yogurt. Since the ATM milk that I normally buy is good, so I have this one here. I want to make yogurt today. I have only 2 kgs of sugar because there's still another one more that was left. I have food colors for our bhajias. Yeah, this one is more apples. I have rice here, and I have 6 kgs. That's enough because there's a lot of rice in the house. So I have 6 kgs of rice here. Kula crepes mama yote utengeneze nayo yogurt. So umekunywa juice. Asipasue hiyo tuende nayo yogurt. Tuende nayo yogurt usiku. Kula crepes mama. Anda hata kijiko kumtolea. Kombe ya nini? So I have mama here. They decided to buy mama because the price of mama was going for 180. Raha was going for 255. So I stopped buying mama when mama went to 215. But today it was 180. Actually it was the cheapest flour. And I normally prefer mama to those other flours. So I have mama 4 of them, and I have pancake flour. So I did not buy any other flour because we have a lot in the house. The one that we had last month we have not used. And I have this one. This one was on offer. It was going for 709, 3 liters. And I've noticed I normally use 3 liters per month. Yeah, because the one that I have haijaisha kabisa. So I have this one here, 3 liters. And then I have one red Royco cube. This one is enough for us the whole month, by the way. Most of the time we just cook dinner only. Yeah, we cook dinner only. So anything that is not here, by the way, I bought some omenas. I bought some dengus and beans. Yeah, isi pam ini tissue. And some beans. So by the way, guys, we were not in the house, so in town we passed by and just found these nice shoes, nice warm shoes, like to stay in the house. And the way I love these shoes these days, the way it's called,
my Pikachu.
Yeah, those ones are for Pearl. I got these shoes by that 100 bob, you guys, like $1, and they are nice. This one you can even go out with it. I don't mind if it's oversized, but they are so warm. Oh my god, I wanted to, the one that I normally have, my niece bought it at 500 shillings, and you can imagine this one is 100. So I have this one is its pair. They are very nice at 100 bob. Then I have this one for Pearl, very warm, like warm.
That's mine.
And you can even step on water. This one for Pearl. They're kind of oversized, but yeah, they are wearable because they're just for the house. And this one, by the way, you can even put it on when you're outside the house. I have those ones. I have these ones for you. You can imagine these shoes, I found them at 100 bob. Oh my god, I was so excited. This one, and they are very warm. They are going for 100 bob. These ones, look at that, very warm and nice. It was on offer. Me, I don't know what that person was thinking. Hey, this one 100 bob, guys. So I have these ones, are the other ones for me. And look at that, by the way, they are so nice, guys. They are so nice, and they are going for 100 bob. They are warm. I love the fact that they have sole that doesn't pitisha water inside, and they are new. Hebu they're just new. These ones are going for 100 bob. Oh my god, I love them. I knew I was going to buy one at 500, and now I've bought five at 500 bob. Yeah, so that is it about the shopping. Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. It's on a Sunday.
Mom.
Yes. Thank you. So it's another beautiful day. It's on a Sunday, guys, and I want to start this vlog with doing laundry. Oh my god, it's 8. Chukua tu mando, wacha besheni huko, nitakufua nayo. Okay, it's 8, guys. Let me tell you, nimeamka mapema, nimeamka some minutes to 7. I wanted to start with the laundry. As my laundry was loading, I wanted to prepare breakfast. Nimeamka kuna stima, and then my neighbor also didn't have power, so I knew it was power issue. Kumbe ni token. Kumbe ni token. Oh my god. So I have already prepared breakfast. Tumekunywa. For breakfast, I just gave Louis some leftover milk and Weetabix. And then Pala mekunywa porridge. And I want to warm some chapos for her. Since Friday night. Actually, since Friday night up to now, I have not cooked anything. By the way, I felt so good. Since Friday night, I have not cooked anything. Eddie traveled. And yes, I felt good since I cooked on Friday. So, but today I'm going to cook. I know today lunchtime, after church, I'm going to cook. So guys, I'm going to church. So let's just go straight to washing. With breakfast, we are so done.
Mama, Daddy, Menda.
Daddy Menda. Amenda happy.
Menda, Daddy.
Amenda Daddy. Akunywa uji yako. Hataki.
Mom.
Hapana, atakuja leo. Atakuja kesho asubuhi. Utamwona kesho jioni. Atakuja kama ameenda jioni. Na gongo. Nitaita ile dudu kuume. Ndege kuja. So guys, someone showed me this hack of putting a piece of bar soap in your machine while washing, and I've done that now twice. Yes, because I've did laundry. I have a lot of unfolded laundry, by the way. That is why today I don't have so much laundry, and trust me, it works. So if you have this twin tub machine, don't just kill yourself with powder soap only. You can throw in a piece of bar soap and it will work amazing. Inangarisha nguo kabisa, especially za watoi. And also, if you use a little bar soap, you're not going to use a lot of your powdered soap. So guys, I normally wash my clothes for 15 minutes, like every load. Look at the form. Like adding in bar soap is just a deal. It's a deal. All these are foam, so I'm not going to use a lot of what do we call soap in here. Yeah. And my baby's clothes are very clean. They are clean. So you can just use soap, by the way. Can add in a little bar soap. Aki, thanks so much for that person who commented on my video that you can use soap. Yes. Thank you. These socks were so dirty, by the way, and they are clean. So let's just rinse them. Oh my god. So guys, as my load is washing, that is the second load, I just want to wash to deep clean my bathroom. I've not deep cleaned my bathroom. This is the second week. I wanted to deep clean it the last week, but I was not around. So this is the second week I have not deep cleaned it. You can see the marks, like the gel marks, the foam marks. Yeah, so let's just deep clean this bathroom. So I'm going to deep clean the bathroom as I'm doing laundry. I'll be using steel wool. Yes. I'll be using steel wool. Hi besties. So guys, the reason as to why I'm using steel wool is because it removes the too tough brown stains in between your tiles. Yeah, there's always some tough stains, so steel wool does an amazing job. I found out that's why I'm using steel wool.
I thought I was doing okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame.
Guys, at this point I was so done with my bathroom, and it was clean and fresh, and I was also done with the laundry. I only had 3 loads to wash this particular day, and I was so done. So what I want to do, I just want to start rinsing. I normally don't machine rinse because I want to rinse them well. Yeah, I want to rinse them well. That is why I don't machine rinse. And also this bathroom's tap doesn't have a nice flow of water, so it will keep me waiting and waiting. Yeah guys, so I'll just be rinsing by my own self.
And I only got myself to believe.
At this point, I was so done with rinsing all the clothes, and I was just air drying them so that they can take like little time to dry. I didn't thorough wash my basins, and also I didn't thorough wash this bathroom. I just mopped it because at this point I was so tired, and also this bathroom I normally wash it like almost every day, so there wasn't much to do there. There were no stains because we don't shower in this bathroom here. We just use it to do laundry and maybe calls. Yes.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm to you. Used to pay on my run lights, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I was like this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay up in line? You're making me strong, making me strong.
So this balcony also had 2 weeks without cleaning it, and it was so dirty. Everything out here was so messed up, and I was just now cleaning like the areas that I have not been cleaning on a daily basis. After cleaning, I was so down. I was feeling like my sugars were so low. I didn't even want to cook, and at the same time I didn't even have the energy to go out and even buy something to eat. Yeah, because there was nothing like to snack on in this house this day, and I went straight to just preparing what was in the house. And I was preparing rice and waru, yeah, as a stew. Yes guys, so that is what we ate for lunch, and here I am. I was just preparing it. After this point guys, I did not even go to church. Oh my god, I slept like nobody's business. I think I slept until 8 p.m.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights, cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
Thank you so much guys. If you've watched up to this point, we've come to an end of this video guys. Thank you so much. If you're in a position to share me out, kindly please do so. And yes guys, kindly remember to subscribe, watch the ads, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Bye guys.